This video will show you how to complete your at-home fecal immunochemical test, also called a FIT test. The FIT test is a simple, non-invasive screening for colorectal cancer that you can do at home. It looks for hidden blood in your stool, which can be an early sign of colorectal cancer. This test is recommended for people at average risk for colorectal cancer. If you have a close family history of colorectal cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, or a known genetic condition, talk with your healthcare provider about whether a colonoscopy is right for you. You can complete this test the next time you have a bowel movement. If you notice blood when you go to the bathroom, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Now let's move on to collection. Inside your kit, you'll find everything you need to make the collection process simple. First, you'll see a letter from your provider. Once you finish reading the letter, take a look at the instructions. These provide a step-by-step process for collection. Next, find the prepaid envelope. Inside of it, you'll find an absorbent pad and a specimen bag. Set the prepaid envelope aside for now. You'll use that later to ship your specimen back to the lab. In the kit, you'll also find a collection paper and a sampling bottle. Next, write your name, date of birth, and collection date on the sampling bottle. Now it's time for collection. First, unfold the collection paper and place it inside the toilet bowl on top of the water. If you have to urinate, please do it before placing the collection paper in the toilet. This paper is biodegradable and safe for septic systems. Next, have a bowel movement onto the collection paper. Be sure to collect your sample before the paper sinks and before the stool touches the water. Utilize the sampling bottle to collect your sample. Open the green cap by twisting and lifting to remove the collection tool. Use the collection probe to gently scrape the surface of the stool. Make sure the grooved portion of the probe is fully covered. Place the probe back into the bottle and snap the green cap on tightly. Do not reopen the bottle. Wrap the sampling bottle in the absorbent pad and place it inside the plastic specimen bag. Put the sealed specimen bag into the prepaid mailing envelope. Peel the tape, fold along the line, and press firmly to seal. Mail the kit within 24 hours of collection. The completed test will be billed to your insurance. Your healthcare provider will review your results and discuss next steps with you. Thank you for completing your FIT test. Taking this simple step helps protect your health